Hello, 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 2023 Linehaul Summit. Welcome. Take a minute and think about the one thing you need for your business, the one thing you need personally. Everybody's heart here is for you to get what you need out of the next 2 days.
So carbon 24, the way I'll start by answering that question is it's probably the most significant regulatory change we will have seen in our industry lately ever.
I'd say the elite folks who really get the fuel thing are adding as much as 5 and 6% to their bottom line through fuel management.
Well, we're wrapping up the 2023 Linehaul Summit. If you can't tell, I've completely lost my voice. 2 days, a lot of communication with FedEx contractors. Look, this was a really powerful event. It's the second year. The first year, we learned a lot of lessons. We got a lot of good feedback. This year, we really doubled down on what contractors found most useful. It's really cool to get to step back for 2 days with as much that is changing in our atmosphere, right, in our environment, and work on our businesses, share best practices, communicate business owner to business owner.